now that we have our layers and we have A01 new part or partition as the current layer, we're ready to start our ML or multi-line command. And we're going to select the style interior. So hit the question mark and then there's the list. So I want to use the interior style, and the scale is of course set to 1, and the justification we're going to set that to the top. So we're going to go from the top and then the wall will go down. So we'll say uh, justification uh, top. So right now it's at 0. So we'll say, uh, wait, M line scale 1. Okay. And then justification top. Then we go here and start our uh, ML multi-line for the interior. So that's our first wall for the new partition. That's our second wall. Okay. And then from here, we would like to also use top and make this go up to the metal stud. Okay. And then we would like a wall across. So for this one, we would like to use the justification bottom. So, okay, so from here, we'd like to maybe start a line to that. Okay, so that the metal studs touch each other. And then here to its perpendicular. Now, here the justification will be set back to 0. So it will go to the middle, which is aligned to that first one. And this one will be 0 as well. Okay. Then another right here. So that's for the first half. We're going to now put 1 here. So justification 0 is good. And put a wall up there. And then another wall right here. Okay. Okay, from here, we're going to add a wall. Okay, right here from the middle. Okay, so we'll say M line justification 0. So we'll add one wall here. And we'll add one maybe right here. So we'll have a uh, door here. And then from the middle, we'll put the break right there. So we'll say M line from middle there. Okay. And likewise, we'd like to add maybe one right here. Okay, one wall there. So we'll say M line. And for this one, I want it to be a little bit off, uh, let's say by 0.5. So I'm just going to create a line first and offset that by 500. Okay, so that's where I'd like to have my line wall. So I can start the M line command and start there and add a wall right here. Okay. And I can delete those lines since I don't need them. Okay, and there. Now from here, I'd like to start a little bit off. Let's say by so 61. So let's say 100 or 200. Let's say 200. So offset by 200. And then I'll start my ML multi-line. Okay, and that one will go, it's a little bit tight. So maybe I'll go here by a 1,000. Okay, and then go out by, let's just say, so another 1,000. Okay, and then go up and go beyond this. So this will be about, let's say here, not too far. Okay, so that will be 2,500. Okay, and then from here, uh, I'll just go by, let's say, this much, which is about 800. And then I'll go down to about the midpoint. So apparent intersection, and then to the midpoint. Okay. Then from here, I'd like to make a line connecting this, closing this up. So ML from midpoint to the metal stud. Okay. And then from here, I'd like to go up. I'll just align it to this. So I'll do ML from here to apparent intersection, which is over there. I might need to lower that so that they are aligned, and just go to the apparent intersection right here and go down. Okay. Then from here to the midpoint, I'll close this up, going to the metal stud. Okay. Now, this one looks like they are not aligned to each other. I'd like to align them. So I'm just going to create a line and say stretch, STR. So I'm just going to stretch this from here to there. Okay, so that they are aligned. So there's a nice maybe display that I can put here, or a door, okay, whichever. Okay, so that's basically the walls that I need. I think I need one more here. So let's add a line. Now for this one, I might need to start here and yeah, maybe just say, sorry, multi-line justification top. And I'll just place it here to, let's say, there. Okay. So that's my initial plan. I still need to finish this part, but let me delete these lines right here since I don't need that. And add maybe a wall right here. So I'll create another line and okay, so up to there, and then offset that by uh 1,000. So 1 meter. Okay. This is where I'm going to put a multi-line justification 0. Okay, from here to the metal stud. Okay, and delete that. And it's good. And then maybe just mirror MI, mirror this from midpoint and delete source object. No, so I created a copy of that right here. And then we'll work with our fixtures next so we know where our pipe chase will go. Okay, so that's my basic floor plan partition.